Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today we are taking a look at the Gypsy Queen Topps 2021 baseball card set. For those of you who don't know, I'm a big baseball fan, and this is just kind of like a fun way to sit down, talk with you guys. And it's exciting just because it's kind of like gambling just a little bit, and who doesn't love just a little bit of gambling? So we're gonna cut this baby open. Cody Bellinger on the front. Now what we're really looking for is just some rookie cards. This box comes with 7 packs with 7 cards per pack, 49 packs in total. So we'll put that boy right there. It's a good looking box. Now, I kind of made a mistake buying these. I was actually looking for just the regular baseball cards, but these ones are more like a old school type of a baseball card. You'll see that as I start opening them. I was looking for baseball cards basically for the last 4 months, the entirety of the baseball season so far, and I've been unable to find any until I saw this box at a Walmart close to my hometown. So cards that we are looking forward to getting, let me just pull that up really quick. So the guys I'm really looking to grab are Brian Hayes for the Pittsburgh Pirates, Joe Adell for the Los Angeles Angels, and Jazz Chisholm Jr. of Miami, and oh yeah, there's one more, Andrew Vaughn of the White Sox. Now, opening this first pack, don't be mad at me, I might have missed a few rookies in there, but those are the ones I'm really looking for. Opening this first pack, always got to come with the good, clean pack break. Josh Bell, not too bad. Sonny Gray, not too bad. JD Martinez, one of my favorite baseball players, or at least he was. Andrew McCutchen. Oh, okay, so here's a little something about the Gypsy cards, is that each one has, well, at least one pack has one with a different border. This is what I believe to be their most common border, so I've gotten those a few times. We haven't got any rookie cards though so far. Yeah, all those are vets. Jake Arrieta and Fernando Tatis. Oh, that's a dope card. However, he's no longer a rookie anymore. Tatis Jr.'s 30 home runs and 1.010 OPS stand as Padres' record for a major leaguer's first 100 games in a career junction he reached on August 9th, 2020. Yeah, dude's a beast. But surprisingly, no rookie cards in that bunch. What would be really cool is we get something like a signed baseball card, or I know sometimes they'll have like a patch of a jersey, or some different type of some different standout feature. Not perfect on that box break. Not perfect on that pack break, sorry. All right, next, looking for some rookies. Sandy Alcantara, not a rookie. Shohei Ohtani, man, we're just getting great players, but none of them are rookies. Nick Horner, A. Hayes, Austin Hayes. Salvador Perez, Clint Frazier. Still no rookies in the bunch. Our green border was Austin Hayes. Started off strong. I like Shohei, like Sandy, but still nothing to write home about. All right, we're gonna keep it going. Let's pump up the energy here. How's your days going? I hope you guys are just laying back, watching some cards open, hoping for that big pull. Kenta Maeda. Here we go. We got our first rookie card. Sheraton Apostle. Not really sure who that is, but that card's pretty cool. We'll put him over here in our rookie pile. Nick Solak. Ooh. Okay, I'm not looking at Nick Solak anymore. I'm looking at this Luis Garcia. He's actually on my fantasy team. This dude's a beast. Garcia joined Houston's rookie-laden bullpen for the final month of 2020, allowed only 1 run and 2 hits in his first 10 1/3 innings of work. So this is, I'm guessing, a pretty good card. No color. Oh, out of 99. Oh, shit. Let's go. That's nice. That's a really nice card. 15 out of 99. That's awesome. That's probably my, oh, I should probably be more careful with it. My best pull that I've ever gotten. So just moving along, we got Nick Solak, Luis Arez for the Twins. I like this guy. 331 average. That's pretty good if you ask me. But in regards to his other hitting stats, they're not very high, but if you're hitting 331, probably your teammates' problem if you don't have very many other counting stats. So again, not very many rookie cards, but we did pull that monster, so gotta love that. Now we're continuing on. I would give these packs, you know, I actually almost prefer them over the regular Topps baseball cards, just because the design's so different. The design's so different. Sorry. Yeah, I know. Sometimes I stutter, but just bear with me. We got some good people in this. Alex Bregman, Cheater, Edwin Diaz, Nolan Arenado, Dallas Keuchel. Pretty good players. Sandy for the second time, this time with a green border. Anthony Rendon, the Los Angeles Angels. Dude's been hurt all year. I tried picking him up off waivers because another team dropped him, but I believe he's going to be out for the rest of the season. He's getting surgery, I think. No rookie cards in there. Let me just double check. Too busy talking. Yeah, these are all vets. Only 2 rookie cards in our first 4 packs. We have 3 more to go. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I actually did open another pack off camera, but surprisingly, I got, you know, probably 20, 25, probably half of my cards are rookie cards, so I'm kind of surprised. Ooh, Evan White. I see a little something in the back there. Evan White, here's another rookie card. I don't have him. Jose Altuve. Cheater. G-Man Choi. I believe this guy played for the Mariners, or I can't remember who that was. Bryce Harper. Dude, this flow is sick. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Austin Meadows. This captain card. I got a Kyle Lewis captain card in that other box that I opened. So kind of just a cool little side thing that they throw in. Michael Brantley with the green border. And Randy Arozarena. This guy was Yeah, postseason beast. This rookie, Rosarena, dumbfounding 2020 postseason included major league records of 10 home runs, 64 total bases, and 29 hits, all in a mere 25 games. Yeah, that was truly special. So it's cool to have his card, but probably not going to be much just because it's not his rookie card. And I don't think he has done really too much this year so far. Oh yeah, where's that Evan White card? We gotta make sure to put that in our rookie pile. But we're gonna put our guy Luis Garcia up here, just because he was the big pull of the pack so far, or the box. All right, back to opening this. See if I can get it on the second try. Nothing. All right, should I just? Nope, we're just going with the old-fashioned way. Pretty cool. All right, back to opening cards. Haven't heard of this guy, so makes sense he's a rookie. Let's see his first name. Miguel Yajir, I assume. J. Olivia. I've not heard of him yet. Jared Olivia, my bad. Carlos Carrasco. He's going to be coming back from the IL, or I believe he might have already done that. Jake Karnchak. Sonny Gray. Juan Soto. This is my favorite player, so I'm going to put him up here. Juan Soto is a beast. I actually have this card of Juan Soto, this Gem Mint 10 Juan Soto Chrome. I believe he's going to be a really special player, so I actually got this for $100 and they're selling for $220 right now, so I can make my money back on it already, but I think he's got a good career in front of him. Hopefully that makes me like $1,000. That'd be pretty cool. Last but not least, we got Nick Heath, Speed Merchant. He led all farm hands in 2019 with 60 stolen bases. Pretty cool. He could do some special things. I was reading on the initial report on Mike Trout, and they were just talking about how he was a speed demon, but they didn't really think his bat was going to come around in the majors or something like that. But obviously Mike Trout is the man we know today, so he turned into a beast. Maybe that could be Nick Heath, and I just got his rookie card. All right, last set of cards. Chris Bryant. Walker Buehler. This guy's decent. No, he's really good. A. Hayes for the second time. Ooh, this card's pretty cool. Where's the flow at, though? We got a Bryce Harper. Philadelphia Tarot of the Diamond. It's like tarot cards, but this is Bryce Harper's. That's pretty cool. Justin Turner. Ali Sanchez. Rookie card. Last but not least, Gino Suarez. So, didn't get many rookie cards. We got, just going back through the list, this guy, Sheraton Apostle. A lot of guys that don't know, Ali Sanchez, Nick, right? Nick Heath, just Jared Oliva, Miguel Yair, and Evan White. Probably the only guy I know, just because I am a Seattle Mariners fan. And of course, we got 15 out of 99, Luis Garcia. Pretty cool. Now, if you guys like this video, wanted to see more pack openings, I'd be happy to do that. I got all these baseball cards. If any of you guys are interested in any of these really cool. Dallas Keuchel, Nolan Arenado, Edwin Diaz, Alex Bregman, Eric Hosmer. Any of these guys, leave a comment and I'll ship them to you. So let me know. I'd love to give you guys some cards. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.